You gonna blow something up?
Yeah, well, no, we're gonna recone. Are you doing? Are you working?
I'm working.
Okay, so repair center, repair Donavan. That's his name, repair Donavan. Donavan, we're repairing what? What is this?
This is a Rage 8 1 ohm.
So to repair this, he doesn't even know, but he's gonna repair it. So to repair this, we have to have this, which is cool, right? And you can see even on B2 Audio how it uses that ring instead of just being glued. It actually screws in and glues. We got a dust cap and this. So how do we get this in here? Well, the first thing we gotta do is take why this getting reconed. Somebody up, excuse me, beefed it up. All right, we got to get that out first. So first thing we're gonna do, probably get a blade that's sharp. That'd be the first thing. All right, I got some here. All right, we're gonna trim that nice and sweet because he's got to get all this cleaned up. Okay, so now when you have that out, right? Yeah, this is up. Okay, and then he's gonna have to disconnect these here because that's got to come off. So all this has got to come out, right? You gotta mess it up before you make it better. So, a couple things we got to do. When you replace this recone, you can see there's the tinsel lead. So we're reusing the push terminal. So he's gonna disconnect these. Right now, which will make it easier, you can just go in there and cut those, right? Because he's going to pull those off. We're going to reuse those because he's going to resolder those new tinsel leads here, okay? And then this thing right here is really messed up now because I really messed it up. You got to get, you know, where, yeah, you can cut those too. Cut it up high. You got it, there you go. He's nervous. He doesn't like being on camera. Okay, all right, now you're gonna get an Allen wrench because we're gonna, now the cool thing about these, this is the Rage or Rampage? Rampage, that's why. So not only does this get glued down, but it also bolts in. That's why these are so beautiful, that ring right here. Okay, so he's gotta unbolt this one and then we're gonna yank this bad boy out. Once we yank it out, we gotta clean it up, we gotta sand this down because this bad boy has to go in there and then we use a thingamajigger like this. I don't think we have the right size out here. You got to get a smaller one. But basically this is going to go in there and that's going to keep the gap from the coil to the magnet. Okay, he's going to get this straight, right? You have another one?
Yeah, I got a couple sides here.
All right, I need a smaller size.
Smaller than that?
Yeah, it's a little whooper. Let's see. He's so nervous. It's smaller than that. I need a smaller one, dude. Not, he's nervous. Yeah, let's try another one. Shake it. I think it's smaller than that.
Still?
Yeah, this is only like a 2-inch coil. That's too small.
Alright.
Can I have one in the middle? I got every size.
Yeah,
You just gotta find, yeah, you should mark them once you figure it out. No, that's too big. There you go. So anyway, the way this works, right? When this goes in there, right? Okay, this is gonna keep the separation for the magnet, right? And get this thing straight. Because once you get it in straight, he then has to glue this part down. So before he does this, he's gonna flip this up like this. Because you wanna leave that up so you can get there. And he's gonna do a little glue and he's gonna screw this down, bolt it down. Okay, and that's all gonna stay there. And then he's got to do the tinsel leads. And you want to do that before you do this part. This is at the very end. So he's got to solder the tinsel leads back on. Okay, when that's done, then he glues the outer edge and he flips this back down because all this is ready to go. And then he's gonna clamp, see all the clamps? He's gonna clamp this down overnight so this completely bonds. And we use nothing but the best. Where's the E6000?
Right there on your right.
Oh, we're gonna use E6000 right up top, and we're gonna use the CA glue on the bottom. And then when that's done, the only thing left he has to do is the dust cap. And you're done. But that's how we're doing it. So stay tuned, we're gonna hook this up. All right.